Akina here, and I'm back at it again with another video for my fam, for my gang. Now, if you're not a part of the fam, you already know what I'm about to say. But you better click that subscribe button down below with the post notifications on to be notified when I upload all my videos. So, without further ado, I'm gonna just get right into this video. So, as y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail, you already know what's about to go down. I'm not going to do a lot of talking because this video is going to be, I don't know if it's going to be long or not. But, yeah, you already know what we about to do. So, I'm not going to be talking in the clips at all. I'm just going to be showing y'all the process of me doing my hair. So, yeah, just sit back, relax, and watch.
Empire. I'm just a kid who's 4. Each day I grow some more. I like exploring and hiding. So many things to do. Each day is something new. I'll share them with you.
Baby got back. Baby got. Empire. I'm just a kid who's 4. Each day I grow some more. I like exploring and hiding. So many things to do. Each day is something new. I'll share them with you. Baby got back. Baby got. Baby got.
Empire, empire, empire. I'm just a kid who's 4. Each day I grow some more. I like exploring. I'm high. So many things to do. Each day is something new. I'll share them with you. I'm
Baby got bang, bang, got bang, I'm just a kid who's 4. Each day I grow some more. I like exploring. I'm high. So many things to do. Each day is something new. I'll share them with you. I'm high. Baby got, baby got, baby got, got it. Baby got, got it.
Empire, 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 empire. I'm just a kid who's 4. Each day I grow some more. I like exploring. I'm high. So many things to do. Each day is something new. I'll share them with you. I'm
Baby got bang, bang, got bang, I'm just a kid who's 4. Each day I grow some more. I like exploring. I'm high. So many things to do. Each day is something new. I'll share them with you. I'm baby got, baby got, baby got, got it. Baby got, got it.
Empire, 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 empire. I'm just a kid who's 4. Each day I grow some more. I like exploring, I'm high. So many things to do. Each day is something new. I'll share them with you. I'm
Baby got back,
I'm just a kid who's 4. Each day I grow some more. I like exploring, I'm high. So many things to do. Each day is something new. I'll share them with you. I'm
baby got, baby got, baby got, got it. Baby got, got it.
Empire.
I'm just a kid who's 4. Each day I grow some more. I like exploring, I'm high. So many.
Okay, y'all, so this is the end of the video, and I know y'all saw what happened here. Yeah, but I'm actually, this probably might be like my favorite, because this one, I had a different plan for this hairstyle, so I kind of freestyled the front here, but I'm actually kind of liking it. But you know, the white stuff that y'all are seeing, no, my hair is not dirty, it's because I previously like oiled my hair, so yeah, that's why it's white, but by tomorrow it's gonna go away. But if you watch this whole video, you're a go. You're a go. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to be a part of the Rose fam, because you know we all lit over here, and that's just on period. Yo, I'm actually liking this. Hold on. This might be my new favorite hairstyle. I'm not even gonna cap. But yeah, I don't have nothing else to tell y'all. So bye.
Thanks for